Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the pullback. So these are single pullbacks. These are kind of a more intermediate step, which you can take more advanced once you get faster at them, but definitely I would start these as a beginner. I would start them more in intermediate, okay? So when you think about pullbacks, you want to think going up in a jump rather than back. Even though back is in the name, you want to think about your jump up, okay? That's what I was always taught. That's what I always teach. So when you're a beginner, I tend to start on flat feet. So toe and heel all on the ground, okay? You want to think about going from your knees. So nice bend in the knees, a nice plie. And what you want to think about is when you bend those knees, you're going to then launch up off of that knee bend and do a spank land backwards. Okay, usually with both feet, but I'm going to show you with one foot to start. So again, nice bend in the knees. And when you push off of your feet, you're going to straighten your knees and do a spank land backwards, right? Okay. This is where I always have my students start. Nice bend in the knees and then 1 foot at a time. Okay, same thing on the left side, bend in the knees, and when you push off through your feet, straighten your knees, but don't lock them out, still have a nice bend in them. So nice bend in the knees, straighten your knees without locking, and spank land back with your left. Okay, you can tell when I land that I'm going to land on my toes, okay? So that is where you want to land. You want to land on your toes without getting that heel drop of a sound. Okay, so now we're going to put both feet together. You want to think again, nice bend in the knees. Okay, once you get more advanced at this, you're going to think lifting your heels off the floor, but if you're still starting, you can leave your heels on the floor for now. Bend in the knees. You're going to jump up. When you do that, your feet, your toes should grip in your shoes, and you should make a nice spank and come down and land. Okay, so again, bend in the knees, jump up, spank land. Okay, try that again. Bend in the knees, jump up. Good, nice. Try that again. Here we go. Bend and jump. Good, nicely done. Awesome. So once you get better at these, you can do a few in a row. So starting from one, I'm going to try to do 3 in a row. So here we go. Bend in the knees. Okay, and once you get even better at them, you'll start from those toes, okay? It all comes from the bend in your knees. That's like the main point of this. That's the main thing to get down really well, is getting that bend in the knees and then the jump up, okay? I've seen a lot of kids lock themselves out and go here. This locks you out. You can't jump up high enough to get that spank sound, okay? So again, from the toes, you're going to bend, jump, spank land, okay? Try that again. Bend and jump. Good. Let's try a few in a row. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Good job. So the way I kind of have my students start this is to just try jumping back as far as you can go. I know it's not, I just said that like it's not about going backwards, it's about going up. But once they start to find how far back they can jump, it loosens up their legs and it lets their toes kind of do whatever, and then the natural pullback comes, okay? So when you jump as far back as you can, that natural pullback is going to come out, okay? That's a tip that I usually tend to give my students. If you have a bar, that also helps, or something to hold on to at first. Put all your weight into it and go from there. Bend in the knees, spank land. Okay. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.